The cigarette SD Evolution combined flame and smoke detector can be used in any typical installation as shown here. In this case, the detector is used to protect the open area of the washroom. The CSA FGV requires installation via wired links to other equipment and will detect a 25mm flame at up to 6 meters away within 1 second, and tobacco smoke within a 3 meter radius of its position. On detecting either a flame or smoke, the product plays a pre-recorded alarm message in any language of choice and immediately transmits a signal via a wired link to other equipment such as the combined sounder beacon.
This is a no smoking area. Please extinguish your cigarette immediately. A member of staff has been notified of this alarm.
Normally, the sounder beacon is situated just outside the washroom to warn other staff of an incident as shown here.
Vous êtes dans une zone non fumeur. Merci d'éteindre votre cigarette. Un membre de l'équipe de sécurité a été contacté.
All SD Evolution products are Windows based. Simply record a file on any PC running Windows and copy and paste into the appropriate folder on the SD card. Protective cages are available to avoid tampering, and a power supply unit can be purchased if required instead of using batteries. A CSA IR2 remote control is required to operate all the cigarette SD Evolution products.